To set volume up and down keys as your phone companion, in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap advanced settings. Select volume up and down keys. And then you must turn on volume up and down keys first. Tap switch until on. If off, tap switch until on or until blue, and then select the service. Select your phone companion. Red warning, and then tap allow. And when you press and hold the volume up and volume down keys for 3 seconds, phone companion will be turned on. And when you press and hold the volume up or volume down key 3 seconds again, phone companion will be turned off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.